Hello, welcome back to my class, children. As you all know that we are discussing the Little Plant poem, and today we will be seeing the textbook bits. Page number 102. Please take out, children, and let's see first reading part. Read these lines from the poem and answer the questions. First one, in the heart of a seed buried deep, so deep. So A question is, what can be found in the heart of a seed? A small little plant found in the heart of a seed. Very good. Next, what will it grow into over time? The seed will grow into a plant, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Next, wake and creep to the light. Who said this to whom? Yeah, the sunshine said to the plant or seed. Next, B. Think and answer. So, do you think the little plant likes the world outside? Do you think so? Yes or no? Yes, the plant likes the world outside. How it looks beautiful, isn't it or not? Okay. Next, C bit is enjoying the poem. Write one more rhyming word of your own. Rhyming word is nothing but the word should sound same. Here, for example, deep, asleep, and one more word I have added, sheep. Deep, asleep, sheep. The sound is E. D-double-E-P, deep, S-L-double-E-P, asleep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Deep, asleep, sheep. Next, second, L-I-G-H-T, light, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright, S-I-G-H-T, sight. Light, bright, sight. One more time. Deep, asleep, sheep. Second, light, bright, sight. Light, bright, sight. Next, D-bit is just for fun, children. This is the classwork project. Take the seeds that your teacher will give you. In place of teacher, you can use as parents now. So your parent will give you some seeds. Go out into the school garden, or else you can use in place of school garden your home garden. So make a hole in the ground with your thumb. You have to make a hole with your thumb in the ground. Then put the seed in the hole. Put the seed in the hole. Then cover the seed with some soil. Then last step is water the seed every day. So as you can see here in the picture, these children are making the hole in the ground with the thumb. Then she put the seed in the hole. Then afterwards she covered the seed with the soil. And afterwards they watered the seed every day. So now children, your homework is write how long it takes for your seed to grow into a plant. It took my seed days to wake up. So after doing this project, you can write the answers. So first do the project and see how much time the seed needs to wake up. Then you have to write how many days it took. Then it took my seed days to grow up into a plant. Then how the seed grows into a plant, you have to write that many days. Okay, so your project is you have to do at your home garden. Hole in the ground with your thumb, put the seed in the hole, cover the seed with some soil, and then water the seed every day. And then see how many days it took to wake up and how many days it took to grow into a plant. Okay, children? So I hope you will do this project. So well, that's all for today. Keep practicing and keep learning. Take care. Bye-bye.